What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we gonna be watching Duke Dennis D Block Duke get girls' numbers with a flip phone part 3. If you ain't know, he did 3 of these. I did reacted to 2 of them. There's another one for us. Another one. You feel me? In my DJ Khaled voice. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I said like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's go ahead and get this Duke Dennis reaction. It's like, no, let's go ahead. Okay, so they got the music playing. You know, I ain't trying to get copyright.
Hey, I'm on my way to Phoenix. This low-key might be the last video of the year. So let's go out with a real banger, man. 100,000.
Pause. Duke. I know you probably not going to watch this, but I'm curious. How in the world did you get your hair long that quick? Because I've been growing my hair since you've been growing your hair. That's the crazy part. How did you get your hair long? He said that, though. He said, watch, my stuff going to be winging out of nowhere. His hair John like winging. My hair ain't nowhere. What am I doing wrong?
In the first 24 hours. First day, 100,000 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe too, cause we grinding for 3 million, and I know we gonna get it, cause we been going crazy. Listen, bro, Phoenix is probably my favorite city. I'm gonna tell you why. As soon as I landed, bro, I checked my Instagram. Every single person in Phoenix hit me up, it seemed like. All the women hit me up. Niggas hit me up telling me the food places, where to go, where to be, the places to be, and things of that nature. Hell, a nigga even one nigga sent me 20 Arizona bitches. Like, bro, that nigga did not have to do that, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that, bro. But you did that at the kindness of your heart, and like, bro, like, it be little shit like that I appreciate, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, bro, that's some real nigga shit, you know what I'm saying? But like, nigga sent me a list of goddamn 20, 30 Arizona hoes. Not that I'ma use it, cause like, I'm celibate and shit, but like, also, nigga, I'm on a motherfucking flight, and as soon as I landed, I got like a homie vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like, I got a homie vibe. I was putting on my hoodie while on the flight, and an old bald man beside me, he seen me struggling, he said, sir, he tapped me, he said, sir, do you need me to pull the hoodie down, because it's rolled up in the back? I said, you know what, sir? Thank you very much, like, I love you. I ain't tell him that, but that's just what I'm thinking in my head, because he was a nice fucking guy. Yeah. He gave me a little house, you know what I'm saying, forever home. I want a, modern home, you know, some futuristic shit, like modern home. The block houses, if I'm gonna get, like, I might have my shit like white and black, have me a black ghost parked out front, have a motherfucking G-Wagon parked out front, a white G-Wagon though, cause I already got the black ghost. Then I have a Jeep in the garage, then I might throw a lamp on it. What you think? I ain't do this, I swear to God. Oh, I swear to God. You've been here for 5 minutes. Hey, I didn't do this though. I didn't do this. I'm innocent as fuck. Oh, I think I just pushed it off the motherfucking hinges type shit. I was just trying to close the door and shit.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, we got a picture with Duke.
Like that. Y'all see it? Before I did like that right there, boom. I seen it out my peripheral, like before did it.
It's the season to be jolly. I'm drinking eggnog, y'all. The grown edition.
You heard that?
Nah.
Like you so
Out. It's a Disney channel right there. Yo, dude. Hey, yo, let me get a picture.
Oh my gosh, I'm dick riding. Oh my gosh. Face ass.
I watch you, bro. What
No way it's Duke. In the NP word dictionary, he is glazing. He's glazing so more than a glazed donut. That's how bad he glazed. Oh my gosh, Duke, I'm fanning out right now. I'm fanning out. I swear, hold on. Word of December. I've been saying this a lot. It's fanned out. People are fanning out so bad this month. Why is that?
Hey, your best video is 24 hours in Miami, bro. That shit was hella good.
Yeah. It's Phoenix, right?
Yeah. I know how to get a hoe, cause like I can't.
Bro, what the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Hey, bro, you're the risk king, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta tell us. How do I get a host?
So y'all handsome niggas, bro. Well, not niggas, but like y'all some. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I didn't mean to blow up your small like that. I really did. I'm really sorry. What are you doing over here, though? Did you go to Old Town?
I'm going home.
Are you going?
Why you so cheesy? Why you smiling so hard?
Because you're so hot. You are. He's so.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 24.
Really?
Yeah.
That don't look 24 to me. It's giving teenager.
What's your number song, man?
How old are you? I don't even know how old. Wait, what?
Bro.
This is not your phone.
They like, oh, he doing the flip phone joint.
Bro, you get my phone. Where is it? What?
No. Where are you going tonight,
They like, oh, he giving her the flip phone. She
Old
done.
Town, though. You going?
though? I live here, yeah.
You going to Old Town? What time should I go? 10? Yeah, check, man, make sure, man.
It's not even funny.
Bro, when my phone ain't working, bro. Hold on, I got you, bro, I got you. Don't trip. It should say connection. Oh, it say your line here, bro. Damn, why my shit ain't working? How y'all doing, man? How
Oh my gosh, you're touching me. Hey, the Glaze who I put money. His fan base is probably like 70% women. I swear. His because the way like it be dudes, but it's like the women be on his line, like it's super crazy.
Y'all let me know which city or state I should go do a 24-hour video next. Belize saying Toronto, but I don't know, I might take y'all word over Belize. Y'all let me know which city. Come to your city, man. If y'all live in Rhode Island, let me know, because I might choose that. Oh, shit. You the only black person on the team.
He said, oh shit, you the only black person on your team.
This guy thinks the earth is flat. Huh? He thinks the earth is
That's
flat.
his business, though. That's his I ain't a black person yet, but hey, fuck it. Where are the
Where the what? White people or black people?
black?
Black?
Yeah. Where do I find them?
Pretty please.
Huh?
Pretty please.
Where is it?
Or I heard that they come out on Sundays also.
Hey.
I'm serious. I heard they come out on Sundays.
Okay, so I'm not here on the wrong night.
Wrong night. If you come out on Sundays, then it's gonna be a lot more.
Where's all y'all right now? That's fine. That's cool.
Go to Pretty Please.
Man, man.
I heard they come out on.
Where?
Black girl come out on Saturday.
I ain't gonna lie to you, yo.
We party on Saturday. That's what we do.
He ain't lying. Black people party on Saturdays, go to church on Sunday. Hey, Tim, man.
Hey, why the black people?
Yo, I made a whole video on my Instagram, bro. They don't be going for niggas out here like that.
White girl?
Yeah, the black girls, they don't really be going for niggas out here like that.
Okay, time out again. I know I'm doing too many timeouts and we got 20 more minutes to go into this video. This is a true statement. In areas, I heard in different areas like Texas and places like that, it's like black dudes contain more out of their race than in their race, like in different different states. You know, I believe it. It's a variety of them.
Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing good. Y'all the first black people I've seen the whole night.
I believe it. I know niggas.
Why you tell me that?
Sorry.
Where you about to go right now? I don't think that's a good one. Oh, here you go.
Now he give me the flip phone. He giving her the flip phone, girl.
I just bought it, so I gotta learn how to work this motherfucker. Yeah. You gotta work this? I think you gotta hold the numbers like me.
Man, I ain't even gonna lie. Back in the day, the flip phone, you get the. I'm trying to tell you, you texted like crap off the flip phone was insane. You don't understand. There's a lot of people I know that was typing fast on the flip phone. My girl, the way she type on the phone, I know her flip phone ability was out of this world. She be sending text messages in less than 30 seconds back. I'm like, damn, why the fuck you do that quick?
Okay, yeah, I ain't with nobody else in here, so I don't know. Just trying to simple shit. That motherfucker work though. Yeah.
Ain't work for that Caucasian girl though.
Huh?
I'll be in there for you. What's in court? What's in court?
Let's take fire! Let's take fire!
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, now you good. So look, we from Rhode Island.
Okay.
We from Rhode Island, I'm
Came
dead.
down to Scottsdale.
Yeah. Roll Tide.
Oh, yes, ma'am. You should get one. You look really good in one. Now,
You look good.
Cricket!
You look good.
Really?
Or is it? Yeah.
thank you very much.
Red.
But listen, we doing a survey
Okay.
on the ratio of
Oh, I got this. I'm ready. No, you gotta listen to what the
They're ready for she ready for the Matante. What's say?
Just question me. What's your survey about?
the survey is about
About.
type shit.
Yeah, I
Right.
know. Okay.
Like I've been searching, I've been looking at.
Look. Who is she? That ain't her dude. That is not her dude. She's somebody important. And he like, we gotta go. We gotta go.
The wet people stuff. Yeah.
He might be-
I bet there's black.
The best friend, but-
Yeah.
Right.
You
I believe.
like shining.
Right.
That is like shining.
Right.
You said $100. I love
That much money I spent on something that's jewelry.
Okay.
that. You got your grill.
Yeah, okay.
You got your chains.
Yeah, I think y'all boyfriend just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. Well, they're good. No, we don't care about them. We'll find our way back to them. They're good.
Y'all listen to music.
Yeah.
I bet the fuck you do.
I promise you will find them. You will.
Thank you very much for doing my survey with you. This is Rhode Island News, Channel 17. Hey, there you go. Hey, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen, and we out. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
They out here now, Cap. That's the fourth one I done seen.
Damn, that's it.
And who's counting? I ain't never get it.
Oh, shit, decent.
Wait, what the
I'm sorry. I'm not gonna do it again. I probably am. But these nails, I swear those things are ugly. I swear the black tips is ugly. I ain't even gonna lie.
Wait. Is that a fucking Motorola? This your first phone?
No.
Oh yeah, nah. What you trying to play my phone for though? You trying to play my phone like? Alright, that's cool. Alright, I got you. What you mean? What is that? Oh, hold on, man. What the fuck you mean? What is that?
I didn't say that.
Oh yeah, I'm doing the vlog. My bad. Damn, what? You don't want to be in my vlog?
I'll be in the corner.
You'll be in my vlog?
Nah, I'm just playing on YouTube.
Yeah.
No, but for real, come here. Let me get you for a second.
Let me get you for a second. I'm trying to put you talking about. That's how she giving me. That's what she giving me. You fun as fuck.
He is. I'm for real. Listen, I wasn't all up in your mouth like that, but your ass is wow. That's what I'm saying, so.
Let me tell you something. It's not the grills with him. I ain't even gonna lie to you. You at a club if you put the right stuff on and you like that, I'm trying to tell you, I've been to the club twice in my life. First time I went, I had another nigga dude looking at me. I was looking, you feel me? I was looking like that. Ain't nobody, you can't, hey, that's why I don't step out. My clothes selection ain't shit. I'm gonna go shopping soon after the Christmas season. You know, this is the time for the kids and stuff. You got kids, go ahead, shop for your kids, all that stuff. After this, January and February, I might step out, you feel me? I'm not talking about the club, though. I'm talking about just step out with my woman. You get what I'm saying? When we step out,
Why?
she got the men looking, I got the woman looking. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You want to track for them so they ain't going to track you? Go back. I don't know.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
just
trying to be respectful.
Yeah, just like type in the number and shit like that.
Okay.
Just type it in. Yeah, you type it.
Don't be taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it so I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
Lambo?
Call it.
Oh my God.
Bingo! Yeah.
It's the exclusive behind the scenes y'all don't even see.
What he say? What the fuck is this thing even talking about?
Hey, my fault. Hey,
Let's do it. Hey, Davo, take this flick for bro. Get this one for me.
nigga, don't I a cameraman?
Nah, I got it.
You play
with you,
If they come out blurry, bro, I'm drunk.
Alright, it's all good.
If it come out blurry,
Bro,
bro.
this nigga Davo some motherfucking.
Oh,
Nigga, shut up. What do you say?
that's
This
a
nigga
start.
so tender, bro. That shit's insane, bro. This nigga out there hooping with.
Shut up, nigga. He ain't Tupac, nigga.
Bro, what the
You trying to have
fuck
a
is
do
this
that
doing,
like
bro?
Tupac.
Jeff Davo
Hooping
drunk.
with- You can't even hoop. That's the thing, bro. You can't even hoop, my nigga. I've never hooped with Davo. Ever. Ever.
Nigga love that basketball.
And the
man.
first thing this nigga do is take a bitch to the basketball. And this shit, nigga, super man just come in. This nigga know damn well he do not hoop ever. First thing he do is take the bitch to the basketball court.
You had too much today? Tonight? I can tell.
I need the real.
A proper headache. I need all your job to me.
How you doing? You doing all right?
I'm not going to get
I definitely got
I'm tired.
Let me get your number.
You see how easy I got so much knowledge. I'll only back to touch you. I was about to say, I don't know shit. What else?
Why you looking at my phone like that?
I was in this
The
way.
brand.
They out there ready. They out there ready. You feel me? Ready like Freddy.
Okay. How big is it? Like, it's new? How is it? How do I put my numbers in?
Start, yeah.
I want to be on the iPhone, not the flip phone. Where's the iPhone? I know you got like two of them. I don't want to be on the flip one.
No.
Why he looking like that?
Tell these niggas, shut up.
Why do she got all them bumps on her? I ain't even gonna lie to it. She like my man's ex, not look like him, but her body is like my man's ex. My man ex, she ain't look like that at first, but now she look like that. You feel me? That's a skin condition.
I make plays with this motherfucker. You see the motherfucker ringing though.
It's not a camera up here. You can't get it.
What the?
Wait. Hold on, I'm gonna take one of
Nah, ain't that skin condition.
Perfect. There we go.
Okay, no, chill. What do you mean?
What is this?
Just do like a.
You just gotta do it once.
Come on, I'll leave you alone.
Type shit. It's just once. Like, it's just a little.
You're like, when you see someone, you're like,
It's not gay. It's not. You just gotta.
wait, why did you bring gay into it? Now he's so sussed out.
It's just me.
I'm like, no, for real. I'm like, no, I'm going.
Okay, hold on. You do it. Do it.
Yo, gosh. No, Victoria.
You do it.
Come on, they don't call us. Together. Ready? One, two.
No, this actually
Kate.
He's already nervous. What's this Disney
Where
show?
they get the house?
Yeah, me neither.
No,
Yeah, I know. I've never. What the fuck is Disney Channel? I've never seen
So
it.
beyond that.
Why not?
You watch Disney Channel, like certified weird.
What?
Check this fucking camera on right now. They just fucking creeping me out. That was y'all perfect time to say.
He's right behind me. Wait, he set that shit up. No way, because he knows. That's why he came up with it.
I don't want to be in this. I don't want to. Y'all perfect chance to say it, but y'all gotta miss it.
Dude, he's right behind me, isn't he?
Nah, I just want to see what y'all gonna say. I'm never gonna forget.
Those the friends right there that you don't want to be around. I'm gonna tell you this and tell you they be acting weird. It's like they play hard to get, but they go. Those the friends that they are all fucked right in front of each other. I ain't even gonna lie to you. The way they talk, they the ones that you and the homies are a 3-man mission. We could just all do it right here. I'm trying to tell you. When they all agree on something, they all gonna agree on something. But they probably talk about each other behind their back. I'm trying to tell you. I've been in so many scenarios with women, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Hey, bro, actually took a bitch outside to hoop when he came hoop.
I did what? What you saying?
Come on. We're not ready for you.
No, hold on.
Encouragement.
That nigga ain't shit. That nigga ain't shit.
Hey, in front of the,
That nigga ain't shit. Fuck that. Fuck that.
hey, in front of the hall.
This one for you. We trying to make it.
In front of the hall, bro. Niggas be doing too much.
Wait, like what?
It's cold as fuck out here though. Hey, you saw this shit? In front of the hall, brother.
Papa.
Oh yeah, my dog.
They back on the block.
Magic
Yeah.
jersey on. A Magic jersey on here.
Hey, dude.
Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. We like experimenting with Venus and shit, trying to find like beautiful black people like y'all.
Independent.
Oh, I like that sweater.
Thank you.
They hip to what he doing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like the black cups, like the 18s, or like 11.
Where y'all going?
Yeah, we were gonna get some food.
Right.
Where are you going?
I mean, I'm going wherever the black people is. So I guess
Yeah, pretty soon.
it be lit.
Oh, it is very late. It's just like when it gets later, like around 12:30. That's when it starts getting popular. No, it gets lit in there for real. But I don't know about a Sunday. I don't know. It's up to you.
You don't go out much?
We homebodies.
Homebodies.
Yeah, we homebodies.
Okay.
Are
Type
you
shit.
gonna be there?
I think so.
I'm gonna be sad if I don't see you. Let me know if you.
As a matter of fact, let me just get your number or something. Wait. Damn.
What's your friend's name? They just over here not talking. What? This is crazy. You lying right now. Not the flip phone. Not the burner phone. Hey.
What is wrong? I'm just trying to take it back to simpler shit. What is wrong with this?
Damn well. Not the flip phone.
Is something wrong with this?
They know what he doing. They know what he doing.
For real?
Nah, I feel like you dress a little bit too bougie to have a flip phone.
Like I'm bullshitting? So you wouldn't give me your number with this motherfucker right here?
It seemed like you had in a whole
Like I got a bitch or something?
Yeah, for real. I'm like, that's
I can respect that right there. I can
Wait,
respect that right there. Now,
look at
I was just saying if you was gonna give it to me though. But you made a valid point. I might be hiring like I'm in a relationship or something. They weren't fucking with me just. Yeah.
I don't even have my fucking phone on.
Bro, how the fuck do you not have your phone on you,
Because
bro?
I was in the car smoking. So, I gotta cheat before I do anything.
You got to cheat, smoke. Are you one of them people who can't eat until they smoke?
No, I can eat before I smoke.
Oh, that's some crackhead ass shit.
What table y'all finna go to right now?
Shit, everybody been saying pretty please and shit. That where you going?
Nah, I got my My brother-in-law Drew got a table at Riot right now.
Damn, you should have pulled up to my shit. We could have had a blast. Word.
But,
Okay.
yeah, if you want to, I can let you
I'm
know.
invited to your shit?
You want to go? You can come right now.
I'm doing an experiment.
I know, but
I'm trying to find the black
later,
people.
later.
I'm trying to find the black people, and I ain't doing a good job.
I mean, my boyfriend Roy, he black.
He black? Hey, tell that nigga Roy he a real ass nigga. Well, shit. Hey, man, look, enjoy yourself and shit.
You too.
Appreciate everything. Of course, yes, ma'am.
You got big things coming? I got big things coming?
You got big, we got big
Big
things.
things coming. Hey!
Hey, man. Okay. You have a good night, man. Damn. I like how she included me in her manifestation. I fought with it.
She came up to take a photo and forgot.
But that's a real nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, listen, man.
Yeah. She the type of person, she got the mindset kind of like me. Fuck that picture shit. Me and John, she, even though she would try to ask for the picture, she was like, she wanted to talk to him, and then they just as a cool vibe. Me in general, I meet any of these niggas on the street, they human just like me. I'm not about to take no, the world go down the day of tomorrow, and a picture of them ain't gonna worth nothing. But what they talking about gonna be worth something though. Oh yeah, I remember I talked to Duke about such and such. I remember I talked to such and such about such and such. And that's the whole thing about manifestation. I said manifestation. That's the whole thing about meeting these celebrities and stuff. They human just like us. Y'all just make them in the spotlight like, oh yeah, they bigger than us. No. They not bigger than us. They the same. They bleed just like we do. They got skin just like we do. They talk just like, not talk exactly like we do, but they talk though. Like that little taking pictures with famous people. I didn't walk past famous people. Don't even care. Oh, that's such and such. Oh, for real? Oh, all right. I don't care. Don't care you famous. What is you talking about? How you gonna give me these millions and billions? You get what I'm saying? Talk to me about that. I ain't trying to get no shout out. At the end of the day, that's me. I'm not trying to get no shout out worth of nothing. I done went into some of these people's streams and asked them for their honest opinion about my reactions. I don't want them to be like, oh yeah, citizen. No, hit me in my DMs and I tell you. You would tell me how everything. Oh yeah, you need to work on this and that. I'd be like, okay, bet. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be like, oh yeah, dude, inbox me. What the fuck is he gonna do for me? I want every streamer or YouTuber, I just want them, the reactions that I do, I just want their feedback on my channel. That's all I want. I want their feedback. Maybe in the future if I do get big, they'll react with me. But other than that, I'm not going to exploit the DMs because that's between me and you. I'm a grown ass man. That's childish.
Thank y'all for helping me to open up my very first.
Baby, I like those heels. I like those toes. I don't even like to suck toes. I suck yours.
They ain't all good when it's cold.
Toes in my mouth right now. Right now. Okay, don't do it.
That was a word of wisdom too.
Everybody is nice. Everybody is nice. All right.
This nigga said, I don't lick toes, but I'll lick yours. That's count. Right. All of this because a nigga wanted to suck her toes. Hey, look, bro. I done opened up my own goddamn.
Now you trying to go back to that though.
Sliders, bro. And some good ass wings, bro. Please talk.
Hey, look, bro, look. I'm watching you, man.
Oh, what?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look. And guess what? If this shit was ass, I'll let you know.
I know you're right.
This some good ass shit, bro.
They go with the music. They messing me up with all this music stuff. Like, I can't do the music.
What, boy?
I'm not trying to
doing
get
shit like
caught.
this to make a nigga real upset. It'll make a nigga real upset. Like, bro, who the fuck this nigga think he is? Who the fuck this nigga really think he is? I don't think I'm nobody. Hey, sure.
I've been peeping shit all night.
My shit?
Yeah.
I mean, like on some low key shit. Where y'all going?
You have somebody go after, but.
Oh, my bad. It's none of my business. Well, shit.
So what you guys?
I'm probably just finna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe. That's the number one thing.
You want us to go there?
And guess what? Come on, man. Look, that's why I stay in my own lane, bro. Mind my own business, bro. Because guess what? That mean a nigga has nothing to do with me. I don't talk to niggas. I don't fuck with niggas. I stay in my own circle, bro. I only talk to Davo, bro. Any nigga after that, bro, you don't know me. You know why? Because I be in my own. I don't even be on the scene.
Dude, if you can't fit through that door, I'm not coming outside.
Yes. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make that.
That was like a commercial break. She almost made it.
Alright.
Her ass got good form.
Oh, I thought you.
Come on, let's lock in.
Oh, that's messed up.
It's over.
Why the fuck is y'all turning up to this right now? Y'all is tweaking. Y'all is tweaking right now. Bro, there's no way I invited her home. So they can listen.
I can be real good. Please don't get in your feelings.
Bro, there's no way this shit sounds so real. You can lock him this door. He mad as shit.
I've been mad too. Like, y'all acting, they doing groupie shit to me. That's some groupie shit.
Me? That's fuck. That's fuck too. Look.
With the flip phone. Hold on. Flick up with the phone real quick.
Oh.
Oh, it's in the back.
Put your number in it right now.
I'm reading it right now.
Put your number in it right now. Fuck it. See, look.
How do you even use it though?
Look. Put your number in. 5.
Not you having a voice. Oh, okay. Put it right.
Put your number in there. Put your number in there right now.
Call it. It's gonna work.
Call your shit.
It's gonna work.
Yo. Hey, what am I calling you on? Like, what device am I on? Yeah, I'm on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm gonna FaceTime you later and shit. I did. All right. Listen, make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, T. Hey. Subscribe, nigga. 3 million. 3 million.
How much you said? 3 million is 3 million.
They Giga cheeses. Like, they did not have to do all that. They Giga cheesing for real. Like, what the fuck? Why is y'all doing all this?
3 views. That's 3 views.
Maybe 300,000.
Y'all hit us? What? Y'all hit her? Can y'all hit her?
Make sure y'all share, like, comment,
Hey,
and subscribe.
do y'all hear how motherfuckers be hate? Hey, y'all show these motherfuckers something like 3 views. We finna get 3 views in 0.5 milliseconds. Cause I love y'all.
That's crazy. 1 second he had 3 views. That's the crazy part. I was in the car coming from the doctors, and I'm like, get y'all checkups too. Get y'all physicals too. Remember that. Get your checkups and physicals. Take care of your health. You get what I'm saying? Don't be just doing that. I was like, damn, that shit ain't had 3 views in 1 second.
Love y'all. I adore y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do anything for y'all.
That's crazy that he said that.
That's what she said.
Listen, I love y'all. I adore y'all. I would do anything for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like,
So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll see y'all in the next